How to remove documents from Studypool. Follow the instructions. Go to the Studypool website and log into your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select My Documents or My Uploads from the drop-down menu. Browse through the list of your uploaded documents. Find the document you want to remove. Click on the document to open its page. Look for any available options such as Edit or Report. If there is no Delete option, scroll to the bottom and click Contact Us. Fill out the support form with your email and request details. Include the document title or link in your message. Ask them to delete the document from your account. Submit the request and wait for a response from their support team. Thank you for watching.